So, the ages of Rahul and Haroon are in the ratio 5:7. Okay, there are two boys whose current ages are given in the ratio 5:7. After 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So, what is given is the ratio of their current age, and also we are told that after 4 years, the sum of their ages will be some 56 years. So we are asked to find out the present ages. Okay. So what do? Let the present ages be, okay, we are given the ratio here, so that makes our life easier. Let the present age be 5x and 7x. Who is 5x? Rahul is 5x, Haroon is 7x. That's the present age. Okay. Let the current age of Rahul, I hope that's the name, yeah. Rahul be 5x years. Why 5x? Why not x and why 5x? Because the ratio of their ages is already given. If no ratio would have been given, then we would have to see accordingly whatever relationship was there in the question. In this particular case, since the ratio is given, so that's how we take it. Let the current age of Rahul be 5x years, and let the current age of Haroon be 7x. See, these ages are their current ages. Okay, we are given after 4 years. After 4 years will be what will be their ages? Plus 4 plus 4. If today you are 13 years old, what will be your age after 4 years? 13 plus 4, 17 years, isn't it? What do? You simply add those number of years in your current age. So that's what I'm doing. After 4 years, what will be their ages? After 4 years. After 4 years, Rahul's age 5x plus 4, right? And Haroon's age 7x plus 4, correct? Let's see what else is given. Is there any other relationship from here? This is what I have deduced, but how do I make an equation? There has to be some relationship between the two so that I can have an equation form. It says 4 years later, the sum of their ages is 56 years. After 4 years, the sum of Rahul's and Haroon's age is 56 years. So all we need to do is find out the age of Rahul and Haroon after 4 years, which we have here already. We've already deduced it here. Now what we need to do is simply add it up to get whatever is given here, 56. Understood? Is it clear or not? What do? We just assume the current ages to be 5x and 7x as per the current ratio given. After 4 years, simply add 4 to their current ages. And then, as per the given relationship in the equation, form the, in the given question, you just form the equation. Which in this particular case comes out to be 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, 56. Because sum of their ages after 4 years is 56. That's what it says. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. Now you got it. Let's just quickly solve this. 5x plus 7x, 12x. plus 4, 8 is 56. So transposing gets me 56 minus 8 is 48. So therefore x is 48 by 12, which is 4. Okay, x is 4. Remember, x is 4. Then what will be the current ages of Rahul and Harun? 5x and 7x. Do not write that current age is 4. Current age is not 4. We have to deduce, because the initial thing given to us was the ratio. Remember this, be very careful. First thing given to us was the ratio. You cannot simply have x as the age. You have to deduce from this. So the current age will be what will be the current age? Rahul, 5 into 4, 20 years. And of Harun, 7 into 4, 28 years. 20 and 28 years. That's what Rahul and Harun's current age is. Okay? Simple?